Maharaj, you mentioned earlier that in order for us to develop a relationship with God, we have to love God. Now, how can we love someone that we don't know?
Very good question. How can we love someone whom we do not know? That's why if we say love God without knowing who He is, will be misleading. It'll become simply some sort of faith that we are meant to love God. But who is God? And why should we love Him? Therefore, we have to know who He is. And there is a way to know Him. Just as in order to know anything, we need the guidance of a teacher. So, if we want to know God, then we have to study under the guidance of a qualified teacher. And that qualified teacher is called Guru. And so that Guru teaches, and he doesn't just say things out of his mental speculation. The authority of a Guru is that he speaks on the basis of the scriptures. The scriptures are the basis on which God's identity has been established. Therefore, if we want to know God, we have to follow the process. And yes, when we approach the qualified teacher who teaches us under the guidance of bona fide scriptures, then yes, we get to know Him. We get to know about everything about Him. We get to know how He looks like. We get to know where He lives. We get to know what He does. We get to even know what is our relationship with Him. And we get to know how to re-establish our relationship with Him. And He is all attractive. God is all attractive. When we get to know Him, we naturally become attracted to Him and we fall in love with Him. So, yes, to love God, we have to know Him, then we'll naturally fall in love with Him.